happened to her here in America that set her off, and I think it's worth you hearing. We do that in 60 seconds. Stand by. First, Lear Capital. It is so important to remember that it's not the government's job to financially plan for your retirement. Okay? It is the government's job not to collapse our currency, and I think Donald Trump has a good plan to stop that. I don't know if anybody heard him last night in this impromptu press conference that he had where he was talking about how the BRICS nations thing that I wanted to play for you. Here it is. Listen.
But I've just been set right off because some people in the restaurant. I was just in there on my own just to get food in so that I could
Where's my exit?
go out and do what I do this evening and trying to pull it together. I'm supposed to be this big hard cow, you know, so it's quite important that I don't lose it. But anyway, so I asked to be sat in the corner quietly, and I just got food in, and everyone was so kind. And let's have some more of it.
U-turn only. U-turn only. U-turn only. This is crazy. Come on, dude. I know I'm the only one down here, for sure. I know that for sure. There ain't nobody else down here. Coming in. This is fucking hilarious.